No.
Why I was talking of the human and animal? Can I ask a question now here? But you should not mind. But just as a joke, I will ask a question. Am I talking to human being or else something?
Or something?
Or animal?
Or animal. To us, maybe. Mi dice, come uno scherzo, no? Ci fa una domanda provocatoria. Si sta parlando a degli esseri umani o degli animali?
You see, Italy people, I think about 2,000 people now, about 2,000 people have killed.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
All of this because of
Virus.
virus.
But no. The virus doesn't kill people, but it worsens the body so much that if you have some illness, no, or something that didn't work before, then it really brings you to the end.
And so 2,000 people have been died because of the virus. And the virus has come from
China.
And the China people, they also have two legs. As Leah has two legs, they also have two legs. They also have two hands. They also have one skull. They also have nose like you. They also have eyes like you. But now I understand that they are not human beings.
Dice che il virus ha ucciso 2000 persone, ma questo virus è arrivato dalla Cina e i cinesi sono come noi, hanno due gambe come Elia, due occhi, il naso, due braccia, ma adesso capisce che questi non sono esseri umani, sono animali.
You see? So what should be the difference between human and animal? The lion has emotion, different emotion for his own child and for deer, okay. But because he has the instinct of the hunger, so it becomes his, because he cannot eat pasta or something. So he cannot eat grass. So he is bound to catch the deer by the natural force, and something he has to put in the stomach. So here, if he is not using emotion, we can understand, okay, you are tiger. Okay, you are tiger. But you see, Gopal, yesterday I was watching the videos of China. Now they want to kill a dog, so they are just hanging here, the dog, and on one rod they will pull the chain, so dog will hang. And now you want a fresh dog's meat. So to provide you fresh dog meat, what he will do? He will hit on here. Hit. And the dog has no hands, no language, no abuse, no nothing, and he will weep. But the tiger may understand sometime, but this Chinese did not understand. What for God knows? God has given all vegetable, all food there. Why is killing the animal? Killing the animal, then by hitting, the animal is not died. It becomes senseless only, and they throw it. Then by throwing, they put some burner, gas burner, they burn whole the body, and now it is ready to eat. Now you serve. They will cut and break some spices and take it.
Yes. Swami Translate dice che la comunità dei cinesi, ovviamente, che abbiamo detto che gli animali uccidono per istinto, come dicevate voi, però i cinesi appendono il cane, lo martellano in testa e lo fanno diventare senza sensi, non lo uccidono, poi lo mettono giù, lo bruciano tutto, gli mettono alcune spezie e lo mangiano.
Fanno delle cose orribili anche con gli ossi, mettono raccogliere la vita.
Then likewise, I can show you a video. They are water is boiling. In one cage, they have 50 mouse, big mouse. He's catching one mouse, putting in boiling water, and 15 minutes. And you see, after 15 minutes, and he remove the skin and throw. And then it will be fried.
Dice prendono un topo, 50 topi, li mettono a bollire, soprattutto ne prendono uno, lo mettono dentro per 15 minuti, ridono, poi gli tolgono la pelle e lo mettono a arrostire per mangiarlo.
You see, snake, they will bring the same condition. They boil the snake direct, without killing. Without killing, they are putting in the boiling oil. Hey, Leah, you, Carmen, Daniela, and Leila, you try. Just put your hand in the boiling oil.
Dice, mettono i serpenti vivi nell'uovo bollente senza neanche ucciderli. Mi dice, vi ha chiamato, dice, avete mai provato a mettere il vostro pugno nell'uovo bollente? Cosa significa?
Am I talking to human being? Why you people eat the meat?
Perché voi mangiate la carne? Sta parlando a esseri umani.
Why you are asking question of Swami Siddhananda?
Perché voi...
Why you are asking of question of sadhana? For sadhana question I can answer only human being.
Dice che sta dando un po' che voi non potete fare domande sul sadhana se mangiate la carne, perché se mangiate la carne non siete esseri umani e quindi lui non può neanche rispondervi sulle domande più alte.
What is the difference between animal and human? What should be different between? Okay, you क्या नाम बताया इसने?
Lia.
Ria is coming. I can think that okay, one animal is coming. Is it?
Quando tu vieni, poi lui potrebbe pensare sta arrivando un animale, no?
You must have feeling, culture. क्या बोलते हैं उसको कि gesture,
Yes.
respect. You are watching me. You are watching me. And you are watching and introspecting my truth. You are searching. And you have everything calculation that what is my duty, what I should do. Animal does not understand what is my duty. Animal is under the nature. But who lives in China? Who lives in China? Is it a human being? What are the character of human and animal?
Quali sono le caratteristiche di animali? Praticamente che noi non uccidiamo, cioè non dovremmo uccidere i nostri simili, degli animali.
You people come to India and but I know that if you have something problem, physical problem, for medicine, if I will give you English medicine, you will very hardly like English medicine. If I will give natural medicine, herb medicine, you will like. Okay? That means you know that the English medicines are not very trustable.
Dice che se voi avete qualche cosa che non funziona nel vostro corpo, lui vi dà delle medicine inglesi, nel senso occidentali, voi le prendete, però magari non prendete quelle naturali che lui potrebbe dare, però allo stesso tempo voi non date molta fiducia a queste medicine, diciamo, occidentali, perché non vi fanno quello che dovrebbero.
Okay, you believe. Then do you use eggs? Do you eat meat? Why do you eat meat? Why do you eat eggs? Because the English doctors have told you that this contains this protein, this will improve your blood, this will improve your protein, carbohydrate.
Yes.
That's why you eat meat.
Dice, voi
On one hand, you are not accepting the medicine made by them. On one hand, you are accepting the food told by them.
Dice, perché mangiate la carne? Perché i dottori vi hanno detto che ci sono delle proteine e vi migliorano la circolazione e tutte queste cose, però da una parte non vi fidate delle loro medicine, dall'altra parte però seguite i loro consigli per il cibo che vi danno.
So I am again and again respect you people.
Ci rispetta.
You have arrived here. Welcome. But I respect you people because you have arrived to India.